French, we reacted to like 4 French songs and then UK.
Tu m'as vu dans le palace ou bien dans la station avec plus de chevaux que le chat LB. Enfermé, je fais pas de traction, c'est carré.
Is it the 26th? I'm all thinking it's tomorrow. It is the 26th. I'm going out next week. Next week, not this week. I'm going out next week. Oh shit, I thought it was tomorrow. Damn.
Y'a ton corps froid dans la baignoire. J'suis pas en noir, j'suis en peignoir. Je ne monopole, je marche solitaire, mais pas tout seul. Y'a Lucifer et les faux frères qui veulent ma place, qui veulent mon blé, me voir à terre. J'fais confiance que Beretta, oh 45 Colt, les poissons devant les caméras. Deviens de Usain Bolt.
Flow's crazy.
Il faut parler de mi-temps. J'ai l'arrêt la méthode, j'ai cassé l'addition. J'ai 300 km de distance, le charisme et la pression.
He's getting brazy.
Je gère la pression, la moteur est brûlant, donc on est virulent, le fer est fumant. Ils croient qu'ils sont brouillants. On m'a dit la route est longue. J'ai fait monter la prône et la plombe. Comme le baby.
Why you not stressing me for?
J'ai fait beaucoup de nombres. Beaucoup de Jimmy, beaucoup de barreaux, beaucoup de peine. Beaucoup de Tony, beaucoup de balles et de mères en pleurs. J'ai trouvé Louis Vuitton, gros, ça vient de faire envie de faire. Les types me tirent sur le frozen, sur ta caisse, t'as évité. Gros, ici y'a pas de film, eux ils pactisent pour des petites sommes. Dans la semaine, j'ai cassé 4 sims, on les captive, ces petites connes.
No, he be really rapping. He be really rapping. I don't know what he's saying, but the flows are absolutely crazy. I can't lie to you. Man said 450. I mellow, money gun thing. Love. Appreciate, hey, mellow. Wait right there. Mellow. Do you know what you done did? One, wait right there, show. Say, we're gonna have to interrupt the reaction quickly. Mello, do you know what you done did? Can you not see that? Oh yeah, it's not auto focus. You know what you done did? Yeah? Yeah? We're there. Hey, I saw bro with them. I said, yeah, I gotta try this. When? Someone give something, I'll do it right now. I look who dots at the rate of 9. It's us. Yeah, right now. You get, oh no, what have I got myself into? Hey chat, you don't want me to do it? You ain't even got a gift, man. Oh shit, I got quite open. Where's scissors? I don't have to cut it open, I can just rip it open. Aye, dare me to do it. Man said Walkz K. What did I do to you? Who made what? How? What the fuck? What you want me to die for? I ain't do shit to you. I don't know you, cuz. For this bag juice, I ain't had bag juice in time, bro. Why this ain't opening? I ain't had bag juice in like 2 years. Time flies reaction. You're right. Still, sorry, Shaw. It's my negligence. Keep G-checking me by it, though. We'll get done. No takes are a couple hours after 3 of them. I already got a Discord. Alright, no one's dared me to do it yet, you know. Mega sour raspberry, yeah. This is meant to be the most sour sweet in the world. Double dare you. Double dare me, yeah. Yeah, double dare you. I'm outside. Should I do it with you? Good. Wait, you're outside my house? Wait, what do you mean by I'm outside? You outside my house? You're outside my house. Oh my God. What are you doing outside my house, please? Hold on. What are you doing outside my house? Where are you going? Where are you going? Hold on, I'll put this down for a second. What's going on here? That room's a mess. It's dark. Hey, chat, do you want her to do it as well? Let me know. So am I coming to try to see on? Are you going straight after? Are you cutting straight after, or are you staying? What are you doing? If you don't got hey, listen, gotta do your 2 moves. Chat. I just acknowledge my room is a mess because we're moving to the studio in May. You're in your Arsenal t-shirt. Oh my God. Hurry up, man. Hey, Melo, we're gonna do it though. She's gonna do it as well. But yeah, let's forward. Why are you ducking that Neo MG song? I've done it already. Still drums. Already patterned it. 20? Hey, I'm doing it myself right now. And then you could do it on stream after. Hey, chat. You see it there? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Absolutely not. Oh my God. Oh Lord. Hey, Melo. Not for the money you can, bro. One more! Alright, Melo. Corner. Hey. It's after, it's the initial, it's actually nice what but the top of my fucking roof of my mouth is gone. It's gone. Hey, chat, it's gone. The roof of my mouth is finished. It's finished. I'm showing you. Yo. It's nice once you get to this stage, yeah, with all of the outside bit gone. It's actually nice. But Bomber Clock. Hey, chat. You did do 3. You did do 3. So what? I gotta do 2 now and 1 when she gets it. Alright, cool. Alright, chat. Today, for context, we have the world's most sour sweet. You get what I'm trying to say? We got to Mellow Vibes. It's his fault that we're doing this. You get me? So yeah, man. Let's just get into this, bro. Pause. I've done one already. This is what it looks like. You get me? Let me move the mic out the way. Three, 2, 1. That initial, oh my god. I need war. I need war. Hey, chat, that's dark. I don't recommend it. But every rapper that goes on my stream, I'm gonna make them take this as well. Pause. Yeah? This is why he says no eating of the buff. There's none. Hey, what? Jermaine, you're saying the buff tastes like this? Oh my god. My nigga Freezer, what's the word, man? Hey, I'm listen, hell no. Hey, chat. I don't recommend that to anyone, bro. Did you miss the reactions? We've done like 2.5, bro. We've done like 2.5, bro. I'll be real. Not even 2, 1.5 reactions, bro. Hey. It dark. Oh my god, chat.